Let's see how to add location to your Instagram bio. It means if you need to add your location for your Instagram and that need to appear in your bio, for Instagram there is no automated way to appear a location on your bio, but all you can do is that you can go to your profile, tap on edit profile, and you can go to the bio. From there, you can type for location, and if you type for location, this is the symbol of location. There you can manually type, let's say Dubai Marina Mall, and this is you can type manually the location for the Instagram bio. You can't add the location through any marks or any Google Maps. All you can do is that you can type and you can tap on done, and this will be appeared in your Instagram bio with the location symbol. This is how you can add location. Thank you.